Hi class 6, welcome back to the maths class. So today we are going to learn about the LCM or lowest common multiple. Okay, so for that we are going to follow two methods today, and we are going to directly follow from the exercise number 4.5. Alright, so here for the first sum I have taken, here we are going to follow the prime factorization method and how we are going to do it. Now as the sum is about the lowest common multiple, so here let's start with the first one, 24. Now we already know the prime factorization method, we have already learned it before, so we are going to do it directly. So here for 24, into 2 into 2 into 3, while for 28 2 into 2 into 7, for 196 Alright, so here 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Alright, now here while taking the LCM, how we are going to take? First we are going to find out which are totally common between three numbers. So here first one is 2. So we are going to take 1, 2 from this set. Then once again there is another set of 2. Alright, there are 2 7s are between 28 and 196. So from these two we are going to take 1 7. Okay, so here 1 7 and then the last 7 has been taken out here. So after multiplying all of this we are going to get a number of 1176, and this is going to be our answer. This is how we do the LCM via the prime factorization method. Now for the number 2 we are going to follow the division method. So when it comes to the bigger numbers we generally opt for the division method, and when it comes to the smaller ones we generally opt for the prime factorization method. Now it's up to you which method you are going to use. Okay, that will be of your own convenience. So I'm going to do this with the help of division method. Okay, now when it comes to the division method, we are going to take all of these three numbers together at once. Okay, so 24, 40 and 84. Now the first rule is that any two number at least should be multiplied or should be divided by any number or its multiple or the factors. Okay, so here we are going to do it by 2. That is the least one which is going to divide all the three of it. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, and here 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. Once again it will be divided by 2 itself. So 2 6 are 12, 2 10s are 20, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Then once again, now what we are going to use, we can either divide it by 2 or we can divide it by 3, because either 2 of it is going to be divided. Alright, for that I am going to use a different number, that is 3. So 3 twos are 6. Now 10 will not be divided by 3, right? But 21 is divided by 3. So 3 sevens are 21. Now the last set of number, this is going to be divided by 2 as well. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10 and 7. Now not any, this is the last set of the number which is in its least form, but this is not going to be divisible by any one other than 1. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to jot all of the factors together and multiply it. So here that will be the LCM or lowest common multiple. So we are going to start with the least one, that is 1 into 2 into 2, 3 to 5 and 7. So here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 43s are 120 and 127s are 840. So 840 is going to be our least common multiple for these three sets of number. So this is it for today's class, and I will highly recommend you that please complete the 4.5 from 1 and 2 entirely, then submit it, and then we are going to continue in our next video from here onwards. Till then, thank you for watching.